Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary theory, and in this video we are going to discuss lesbian and gay literary theory. Introduction. Lesbian and gay literary theory, emerging prominently as a distinct field in the 1990s, became a significant area of academic inquiry, akin to women's studies 2 decades earlier. Its growing importance is evidenced by the inclusion of lesbian and gay studies sections in mainstream bookstores, academic catalogs, and the establishment of relevant courses at universities. The rise of lesbian and gay literary theory. By the 1990s, lesbian and gay literary theory had developed enough prominence to be recognized as a distinct field. Before this period, there was little to no mention of it in influential texts like Terry Eagleton's Literary Theory and Introduction, 1983, or the first edition of Raymond Selden's A Reader's Guide to Contemporary Literary Theory, 1985. The field's increasing acceptance was marked by the availability of course readers like the Lesbian and Gay Studies Reader, 1993, and the introduction of relevant MA courses such as Sexual Dissidence and Cultural Change at the University of Sussex. Interdisciplinary nature of the field. Lesbian and gay literary theory is strongly multidisciplinary, with a notable emphasis on cultural studies over traditional literary material. This interdisciplinary approach allows for a more comprehensive exploration of the themes related to sexual orientation and representation in various forms of cultural expression. Comparison with feminist criticism. Lesbian and gay criticism shares several parallels with feminist criticism. Just as not all literary criticism by women is feminist, not all literature about gay writers or by gay critics falls under lesbian and gay studies. Both fields are inclusive, with feminist writing not necessarily being authored by women and lesbian and gay studies not limited to gay audience or focused solely on gay sexuality. Purpose and aims of lesbian and gay criticism. The primary purpose of lesbian and gay criticism is to make sexual orientation a fundamental category of analysis and understanding. According to the Lesbian and Gay Studies reader, this field does for sex and sexuality what women's studies does for gender. It emphasizes the centrality of sexual orientation as a critical lens for historical and cultural analysis. Like feminist criticism, lesbian and gay criticism has clear social and political objectives, particularly in its resistance to homophobia, heterosexism, and the institutional practices that privilege heterosexuality. Social and political implications. Lesbian and gay criticism is driven by an oppositional design against societal norms that marginalize non-heterosexual orientations. It seeks to challenge and deconstruct the ideological and institutional practices that reinforce heterosexual privilege, promoting a broader understanding and acceptance of diverse sexual orientations. Conclusion. Lesbian and gay literary theory has established itself as a crucial field of study, paralleling the rise of feminist criticism. By foregrounding sexual orientation as a vital category of analysis, it aims to resist and dismantle the societal structures that perpetuate homophobia and heterosexism, contributing to more inclusive and equitable understanding of literature and culture. So this was the discussion on lesbian and gay literary theory. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.